Welcome to PEDIA's cybersecurity series. In today's episode, we're diving deep into a critical topic that is revolutionizing the way we think about data integrity and security: blockchain. From its foundational concepts to real-world applications, we'll explore how blockchain technology is reshaping industries and enhancing security. Stick around as we uncover its potential, analyze real-world scenarios, and discuss important lessons learned along the way. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger technology that records transactions across multiple computers. Each transaction is grouped into blocks, which are linked together in chronological order. This structure ensures that once data is recorded, it cannot be altered without consensus from the network, enhancing security and trust. Let's break down the key components of blockchain. We have blocks that contain transaction data, a timestamp, and a unique cryptographic hash of the previous block. These blocks are maintained by nodes, which are computers that validate transactions and keep a copy of the entire blockchain. Next, we have transactions, the fundamental units of blockchain. They represent the transfer of assets, like cryptocurrency, and include details such as sender and receiver addresses, timestamps, and amounts. Consensus mechanisms play a crucial role in blockchain. They are protocols used to achieve agreement among nodes on the validity of transactions. Popular mechanisms include proof of work, where miners solve complex mathematical problems, and proof of stake, where validators are chosen based on the number of coins they hold. Lastly, blockchain relies on advanced cryptography to secure data. Alongside smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms written into code. Now let's examine some real-world scenarios where blockchain has made a significant impact. Imagine a multinational company sourcing materials from various suppliers around the globe. This company faced challenges in tracking the origin of its materials, which led to quality issues and compliance risks. They decided to implement blockchain technology to enhance transparency and traceability throughout their supply chain. With blockchain, every transaction involving the materials is recorded on a decentralized ledger. Each block contains not just the transaction data, but also detailed information such as the product's origin, handling procedures, and even real-time temperature monitoring during transportation. For instance, if a shipment of food products is being transported, sensors log temperature data, ensuring that the products remain within safe limits. When the product reaches its destination, stakeholders can access the blockchain to verify its entire journey, ensuring that only high-quality materials are used. This level of transparency not only reassures consumers, but also allows the company to respond quickly to any issues, such as recalls. If a batch of materials is found to be contaminated, the company can trace it back to the supplier and take necessary action immediately. Lesson learned. Transparency in the supply chain can drastically reduce fraud and improve quality control. Preventive suggestion. Companies should invest in blockchain solutions for enhanced traceability and accountability in their supply chains. Collaborating with technology providers to develop custom smart contracts can automate compliance checks, reducing the risk of human error. Let's move on to the financial sector, where the stakes are incredibly high. In a world where billions are traded daily on cryptocurrency exchanges, security is paramount. A major exchange suspected of facilitating money laundering activities prompted law enforcement to utilize blockchain forensics. Investigators began analyzing transaction patterns on the blockchain to track suspicious activities across multiple wallets. Each transaction is time-stamped and recorded, allowing authorities to see the flow of funds. For instance, if a wallet receives large sums from multiple sources, it raises a red flag. Thanks to blockchain forensics, investigators can identify the origin of these funds, determining whether they're linked to criminal activities or legitimate sources. Using advanced algorithms, they map transaction flows and identify clusters of wallets that interact frequently. When they establish links between wallets, law enforcement can build a solid case against entities involved in illicit activities, ultimately leading to arrests and asset seizures. Lesson learned. Blockchain technology can aid in identifying and preventing financial crimes through enhanced visibility. Preventive suggestion. Regulatory bodies should collaborate with blockchain experts to develop tools for monitoring and analyzing transactions in real time. Exchanges can implement anti-money laundering (AML) protocols using smart contracts to automatically flag suspicious transactions. Now, let's consider the healthcare sector, where maintaining patient confidentiality and data security is crucial. A hospital faced challenges in managing patient records, leading to data breaches and unauthorized access. Traditional databases were vulnerable to hacking, prompting the hospital to explore blockchain technology as a solution. By adopting blockchain, the hospital stored each patient's record as a block on the blockchain, encrypted and linked to their unique public key. Only authorized personnel with the corresponding private key could access this information. For example, when a doctor needed to access a patient's record, the transaction was logged on the blockchain, creating an immutable audit trail. This approach not only secures sensitive information, but also allows healthcare providers to track who accessed what data and when. In the event of a data breach, patients can be notified immediately, and the responsible party can be held accountable. The decentralized nature of blockchain ensures that even if one node is compromised, the overall integrity of the data remains intact. Lesson learned. Securing patient records on a blockchain can mitigate risks associated with data breaches and unauthorized access. Preventive suggestion. Healthcare organizations should consider blockchain for secure patient data management. Implementing multi-signature wallets for record access can further enhance security, requiring several approvals for access to sensitive information. As we've explored today, blockchain technology offers a myriad of benefits across various sectors by enhancing transparency, security, and efficiency. From supply chain management to financial services and healthcare, its applications are vast and impactful. Blockchain creates an immutable record of transactions, ensuring data integrity. It enhances transparency, reducing fraud, and improving trust. The real-world applications we've discussed demonstrate its potential across various industries, emphasizing the need for preventive measures to maximize its benefits. Thank you for joining us in this discussion on blockchain, analyzing transactions, uncovering illicit activities, enhancing security, and ensuring transparency. Stay tuned as we explore techniques and applications that will help you effectively integrate blockchain into your cybersecurity strategy, along with in-depth insights into essential security concepts. Discover all DG Info's innovative solutions in the field of cybersecurity, and join us in shaping the future of proactive threat detection and response. Together, we can make a significant impact.